Good morning, 6th class. Today our chapter is chapter number 6 and name of the topic is changes around us. And topics are total 3. 6.1 we have already completed. Today we are going to complete 6.2 and 6.3 also. Topic 6.2 name of the topic is could there be other ways to bring a change? Look at the figure and the below one the name. Tools are often heated before fixing wooden handles. All these tools which you are observing on the slide, all of them are used in agriculture, in fields, right? So many agriculture apparatus are there, and as you're observing, they are made up of wood, right? All these are wooden sticks, right? And all these are what you call this metal, and name of the metal is iron. All these are made up of iron. So here all these are in full form, but these are in broken form. So what is written there, just look here. Tools are often heated before fixing wooden handles. So what we do for fixing, first we heat these metals. Okay, so what is the reason behind heating of these metals, heating of iron? Before fixing, आप फिक्स करने से पहले मेटल के हैंडल को आप हीट करते हैं. तो इसको हीट करने के पीछे क्या वजह है, आप सोचेंगे थोड़ी देर. वी विल गेट आंसर आफ्टर अ फ्यू स्लाइड्स. Then figure number 2 and the below one heading, cart wheel with metal rim fixed to it. Again here we have metal rim and then there is cart. Cart is made up of metal rim as well as wood. Clear? So before fixing this wood into metal rim, this metal is heated. Again इस metal rim को आप heat करते हैं wood में handle लगाने, wood को उसमें fix करने के लिए आप metal को हीट करते हैं. तो हीट करने के पीछे क्या वजह है, आप इसके बारे में सोचेंगे. Now here is the process. Process is the iron blade of these tools has a ring in which the wooden handle is fixed. Normally the ring is slightly smaller in size than the wooden handle, and to fix the handle the ring is heated and it becomes slightly larger in size, expands. Now the handle easily fits into the ring. When the ring cools down, it contracts and fits tightly on the handle. On the whole, what we have conclusion of this whole process is ring is smaller in size. When you heat the ring, okay, there is expansion. Okay, there is increase in size. Suppose if the ring is of this much size, so after heating the size of the ring increases. When size increases, then wood automatically fits into the metal, and after losing temperature of metal rim, it decreases its size. So there is automatic fitting of metal into the wood, right? Understood? So there is process of heating. When you heat any metal, there is expansion, and if there is no heat, then there is contraction. Expansion means increase in size, contraction means decrease in size, right? तो ये आपको समझ में आ गया होगा. Expand करता है कब करता है, when you heat metal, और contract कब करता है, when the temperature of the metal cools down. Then next is activity number 7. Look here, what you're observing here is heating of candle. Clear? And when you blow off, after some time what will happen, there is decrease in the size, decrease in the length of candle. So can you reverse, can you make the candle again longer? Just think over it. And here is wax heating. When you heat wax turns into liquid. Clear? So can you convert those liquid into solid again? What is your answer? Answer is yes. How? By heating you can convert solid into liquid, and by decreasing the temperature, again liquid converts back into solid. Then here Bujo question, one of the famous character of your textbook. Here is the Bujo, okay, the male character. What he has observed, he has often noticed that road construction workers heat a black material, tar, for repairing a road. He wants to know whether the change caused in tar by heating can be reversed. So he is thinking that the tar which is used for road repairing, whether the conversion of tar into melting, okay, a tar into liquid, solid tar into liquid form, can you convert that liquid back into solid? So is that reaction reverse? So here is the answer. When coal tar is heated, it melts to form a thick black liquid. So here when you heat coal tar, clear, it melts, means solid converts into liquid. What is the color of liquid? Black color. And then the melting of coal tar on heating is reversible change. Reversible because when there is temperature decrease, then solid is again formed. Okay, molten means liquid form converts into solid one. So when again the same concept is repeated here, means when you increase temperature, solid converts into liquid, and when you decrease temperature, liquid converts into solid. Clear? So here our next is about Paheli's question, the famous girl character of your science textbook, and Paheli question. Okay, what is the question? Just look here, and we are reading here. Paheli wants to know if you have ever seen a blacksmith making some tools. How does a blacksmith change a piece of iron into different tools? A piece of iron is heated till it becomes red hot. It then becomes soft and is beaten into desired shape. What change has taken place in iron on being heated? So here, what is the concept is used here? Here is Paheli, her question is iron, okay, iron when heated, what happens, means why there is change in the shape of iron when after heating, when you what happens to its shape. Okay, this question is from the mind of Paheli, and answer just look here. Here is a concept of malleable. Malleable means metal can be beaten into thin sheets. You can beat metal. Okay, and this concept is used by blacksmith. Iron is a metal and it has the property of malleability. Clear? So it can be beaten into thin sheets. उसके हम पतले पतले sheets बना सकते हैं because iron is in the category of metal. Okay, so this property is used by blacksmith. Understood? Next is our topic. Okay, our topic heading was other ways to bring a change are, we can change by two criteria. One is heating the substance. When you heat the substance, solid converts into liquid, right? And number second is by mixing it with some other substance. By mixing it with other substance also, right? We can change. Next is about keywords. Topic 6.3 keywords. So keywords total 5 are there. 5 are there in your textbook. Number first is change. So means the process of becoming different, something different, right? Contraction means shorter in size. Evaporation means liquid changes into gaseous form at any temperature below its boiling point. Expansion means the action of becoming bigger in size, and then melting means solid turns into liquid when heat is applied, right? So keywords are again very easy. If you have gone through all the slides. Then assignment number 2, question number 4 from your textbook, number 5 also from your textbook. A drawing sheet changes when you draw a picture on it. Can you reverse this change? Clear? Think over it. Number 5th, give examples to explain the difference between changes that can or cannot be reversed. Clear? Then number 6th is a thick coating of paste of plaster of Paris is applied over the bandage on fractured bone. It becomes hard on drying to keep the fractured bone immobilized. Can the change in POP is plaster of Paris, be reversed? And number 7th, a bag of cement lying in open gets wet due to rain during the night. The next day the sun shines brightly. Do you think the changes which have occurred in the cement could be reversed? Okay, all these questions are from your textbook. 6, 7 also from your textbook. And this is the end of our today's class. And complete your home assignment and submit in the group. Thank you.